Listen, you're not good enough. I'm not good enough. We are not good enough. Stop thinking that. Stop thinking that just because I'm a good person, I help my mans out when he needed money, I help my moms with grocery, with the rent, I help a homeless person, I help the needy, I'm a good person, my good deeds outweigh my bad deeds, so that's why I'm a good person. No, you're not good enough. You understand that even Jesus himself, Jesus, a sinless man, said, none is good but the Father? So what makes you good? Your moral standards of good is nowhere near the moral standards of God's good. God is a perfect, just, and a holy God. One lustful thought, and that's a sin. That should send you to hell. But because of his beautiful grace, because of his beautiful son, we're saved. Some people be like, if you're loving God, why would he create hell? Reverse that question around. If a just God, if a holy God didn't create a hell, would he be holy? Would he be perfect? Would he be a just God? Think about it. You're not good enough. It's by his grace.